Hi guys, welcome to Every Accessory Has a Story. My name is Yvonne, and I would like to talk about this very special hat that holds special meaning to me. It is one of my favorite accessories. I consider it a straw cowboy hat, so to speak, and I love the details about it. It has this leather brown strapping, and then it has like bronze details around it. And I love the color of the straw. And I love chocolate brown. It's one of my favorite colors. As you can see, I have on brown today. But every accessory has a meaning, in my opinion. And so that's the reason why I decided to start this channel. I wanted to talk a little bit about how I am rediscovering myself after loss, one accessory at a time. This hat reminds me of my grandmother, and it also reminds me of my mom. Both of them wore hats a lot during my childhood and adult life. They both wore them to church, different variations and different styles of hats. And so this definitely reminds me of them. And then this also reminds me of my Texas roots. So I'm originally from Texas, although I don't live in Texas now. I still consider myself a country girl at heart. And it reminds me of my uncles used to, I'm from a little town in East Texas where they have dirt roads, and my uncles would be on horses at times, and they would come down these dirt roads with their cowboy hats on and their boots. So yeah, this hat definitely reminds me of that. And so, like I said, it's one of my favorites. And drop me a comment and let me know what item in your life holds special meaning for you. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and there's more to come. I look forward to continuing to talk to you about different accessories that have special meaning to me and how I'm using those accessories to reinvent myself, rediscover myself, and start over after loss. Till next time, guys. Thank you.